guys, and thanks so much for joining me for another weekly meal prep video. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. I've got a couple variations on a few things, and I'm making some snacks for us for the week, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cook up about a half a pound of bacon. I'm going to chop it up in smaller pieces and get it nice and crispy to go ahead with this pasta salad. It's a bacon and pea pasta salad. I don't know, I just found this on Pinterest, and I love, bacon, and I don't especially love peas, but I like them when they're fresh, and in pasta salads I really tend to enjoy them. So I figured I would give this a whirl. So yeah, I'm just cutting these up, like I said, in smaller pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and get them all nice and crispy. So while the bacon was cooking, I also boiled some water for my pasta for the pasta salad. I'm using mini penne, and I thought they were just such a cute little shape. I'm going to go ahead and remove a little bit of this for the lunches that I'm making just as a side. So I'm going to take some of that out. And then a little trick that I have learned, if I'm using frozen anything in a pasta salad, I just go ahead and while the pasta's draining, I'm going to throw in the frozen peas, and then that way it defrosts the peas and it cools down the pasta a little bit, so it works together pretty well. Alright, so for the dressing for the pasta salad, it's just going to be a half a cup of mayonnaise, a half a cup of sour cream, and then 3 tablespoons of ranch seasoning, which is like about a packet worth. I just have the bottle of ranch seasoning. I added in some pepper as well, and then I'm going to mix this together, and if you feel like I did that the consistency is too thick, I just added in a splash of milk, and that thinned it out enough for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my pasta and the rest of the stuff that I'm going to put in here. It was at this point that I realized that the bowl was probably too small for everything that I was going to go ahead and put into it, but whatever, I wasn't going to dirty another dish. So if it looks like it's about to overflow, that's because it is. So now I'm just adding in some random stuff, things that I like to eat in pasta salads. This isn't a recipe, obviously. I just saw the idea online, and you know me, I just kind of make up whatever I want. So I'm just putting some green onions and 2 cheese sticks worth of cheese cubes in mine, and then of course the bacon, and then I will add in some tomatoes. You guys, these tomatoes are adorable. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. You'll see them in a second, but I'm going to go ahead and get all this mixed in, and I will show you the finished product. Alright, so that is everything mixed together. This pasta salad was absolutely delicious. I'm super impressed with it, and those little baby tomatoes as well. Alright, so another thing that I'm going to be doing is for our lunches, just a regular sheet pan meal. These are so easy, and I can do other things while I'm cooking them, which makes it perfect for a meal prep day. So I'm just getting like random vegetables and putting them all in a bowl, chopping them up. in just like, you know, chunks. They don't have to be very similar, just like sizes. So I put some carrots, some squash, and some red pepper, and I am sprinkling the rest of the seasoning packet that I have left over from the marinade that I put on my chicken, which is the Brazilian steakhouse marinade from McCormick. And unfortunately, I was not smart and I didn't show it correctly, so I didn't even put the clip in there. But yeah, so I marinated my chicken in that, so I'm just putting my chicken on a sheet pan, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my veggies on there. And then once they're all set up on the pan, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my 425 degree oven for about 25 minutes. Alright, so it's not a meal prep video without my snack cups, right? So I just wanted to tell you guys, these are called Rubbermaid take-alongs because I saw them in the store again, and they just have a little separation plate in there, so that's why I love using these so much. So today what I'm going to use them for is I'm going to make like a little, I guess, like hummus and crackers and hummus and like hummus and Triscuits and hummus and pretzels. I'm using the Sabra roasted pine nut hummus, and instead of regular pretzels and regular Triscuits, I'm using the mini Triscuits, which you can't see on the box. This is what happened with the marinade, guys. I didn't put it out far enough. But these are mini Triscuits, which are so cute. I love them. They're so little, you'll see. And then instead of regular pretzels, because there's not a lot of space in these, I'm just using the Goldfish pretzel crackers. So, and those are, you know, they're pretzels and they're just goldfish like shaped. So again, you know, for the maximization of snacks in space. So yeah, that's what I'm filling up with these, and they're gonna be super delicious. Alright, so my chicken is out of the oven and my veggies, everything is done to perfection, and it smells so good. I highly recommend that Brazilian steakhouse marinade, you guys. Oh, it makes everything taste amazing. Alright, so this prep was already halfway done for me. I got it from the store, like cored and kind of peeled. So I'm just cutting it in smaller pieces because I have sensitive teeth, and like when things are cold, like if they're not in smaller pieces, like I can't deal. So I'm just cutting these in smaller pieces so I will eat them. Alright guys, so this is everything we put together today. I got that pasta salad that is just fabulous. Ugh, it tastes so good. I got my snack cups with the hummus and the Triscuits and the hummus and the pretzels. So I know that is going to be delicious because I've had both of those things before, and it's awesome that they're in snack cup form. I got my pineapple to the side that I'm definitely going to be eating up probably in like a day and a half because I love pineapple. And then I have my lunches that I set up. What I did was that leftover pasta that you guys saw me take out, I put it with a little bit of butter, some garlic salt, and some Parmesan cheese. And so yeah, that was pretty much it. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me this week. I hope you guys were able to get some meal prep inspiration from this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys have a blessed and awesome week, and I'll see you next time. Bye!